Hey y'all, it's Chris and Tammy with Collard Valley Cooks. You ever had a millionaire pie? Well, why is it called millionaire pie? Because it tastes like $1 million. We're going to get started and you're absolutely going to want to try this pie. All right, the first thing you're going to do is mix half of a block of cream cheese with half of a can of Eaglebrand milk. If you're just going to make one recipe. So if you don't want to waste half your Eaglebrand and half of your cream cheese, you can always double your recipe. That way you'll make 2 pies. So we're going to come on over to the other side of the table and I'm going to show you what we've got. I have got pecans. You're going to use about 1/3 cup chopped. I try to shake it and get the tiny pieces towards the top so that the larger pieces are where the blade is. If you wonder why I turn it upside down, that's why I do that. All right. So our pecans are ready. Now, you're going to drain cherries and chop them up, and you need about 1/3 cup. And I was going to show you what I do. Before I cut them, I actually take my fingers and I squeeze the cherry to get rid of the extra juice. And some of them have a lot of juice in them and some of them don't. So that it's not going to mess up our pie. You don't want a bunch of liquid going in this. And that's all there is to that. Now I'm going to use this same little strainer, and me and Chris are going to use this cherry juice to make a milkshake out of. Now you're going to use 8 ounces of crushed pineapple, and this is Dole pineapple. And you're going to strain it too. So we're just going to put it in here. How about y'all tell us if your mama made a millionaire pie, and you tell us if you make it today. It is super delicious. So tell everybody in the comments if you made one and how good it is. The whole 8 ounces. And then you're going to smash it good to get the juice extracted. I usually turn it over. Do a good job squeezing it. All right, and now we're ready to put our pie together. And I've already toasted our coconut. And today I'm gonna actually put coconut in the pie and on top because I browned so much. All right, so come on over to this side and we're going to add all of our delicious ingredients. You're also going to use 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Okay, so we're going to add our pineapple, 8 ounces drained, our cherries, our pecans. Here's a big one. And I'm going to add a little pineapple. I'm going to add a little coconut as well. We'll put coconut in it and on top of it. And then you're just going to mix it up. And now you're going to use half of an 8 ounce Cool Whip. I got a little extra over there because we're going to pipe the top. And you're just going to fold this together like so. All right, I about forgot my lemon juice, y'all. So get you a lemon and juice just one side of it. And fold it into your filling before you put it in your pie crust. So we're going to get this in here. I'm gonna make sure I don't get a seed in there. Then you're just gonna mix that in. And remember, this is gonna be refrigerated, so it might look a little runny now, but once it sets up in the refrigerator, boy, this stuff is delicious. All right, get it in your pie shell. And then you're gonna refrigerate this and let it set up nice and thick. Boy, is it good, y'all. This is the best stuff ever. All right, so I'm gonna pipe a Cool Whip border around it. And of course you don't have to do this. You could just top it with Cool Whip. I like to put one in the middle for my cherry. And then I just go around the edge and make a border. And you do need to refrigerate this pie, like I said earlier. Get it nice and cold overnight before you serve it. Now we're gonna put a beautiful big fat cherry on the top. And these have stems because you can get the ones with stems if you look in the department where the ice cream is, most of the time. I dried it off. Put it right in the middle. And then you're gonna take your toasted coconut and decorate the top. Let me pull it over there or I'm gonna make a mess. So this Millionaire Pie is the perfect pie for spring and summer and Easter because it's nice and light and fluffy and beautiful. So make sure you make a Millionaire Pie this Easter. All right. Boy, what a good looking pie. So we'll see y'all in a little bit when we get a piece of it and give it a try. Man, it is super delicious. And I'm gonna tell you, you better make two because it's not gonna last long. And you may as well use up that full can of Eaglebrand milk and that whole block of cream cheese. We'll see you next time on Collard Valley Cooks, where we cook like our mamas did. Bye, y'all. Love ya.
It's over now. Tammy, she just showed you how to cook it up like mama used to do. So go